In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to SimplePractice. By the end, you'll confidently get from the sign-in page to your dashboard without any confusion. All you need is the email address and password associated with your SimplePractice account and a reliable internet connection. First, let's head to the SimplePractice sign-in page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the official SimplePractice sign-in URL, or search for SimplePractice sign-in and select the official result. Before you proceed, take a quick look at the address bar to make sure you're on the legitimate site and that your connection is secure. You can also bookmark the sign-in page so it's easy to find next time, which is especially helpful if you log in frequently. Next, enter the email address and password associated with your SimplePractice account. Type slowly and carefully to avoid typos. Email addresses aren't case-sensitive, but passwords usually are, so double-check capitalization and make sure there aren't any extra spaces before or after your entries. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it fill in your credentials to reduce mistakes. If you share a device, confirm you're using the correct account email to prevent login conflicts. And if your browser tries to autofill an old password, simply clear the field and retype the current one. When your email and password are in place, click the Sign In button to access your dashboard. After a moment, you should land on your SimplePractice dashboard, where you'll see your tools and options laid out for your daily work. If the page seems to take longer than usual to load, give it a few seconds and avoid clicking repeatedly, which can trigger errors. If you see a message that the credentials are incorrect, carefully re-enter them and try again, paying attention to any subtle typos. That's the entire process from start to finish. Go to the official sign-in page, enter the email and password linked to your account, and click Sign In to open your dashboard. For smoother sessions in the future, consider keeping your browser up to date, using a strong, unique password, and signing in from a trusted network. When you're done working, especially on a shared computer, close your browser window to help keep your account secure. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps, you'll be ready to access SimplePractice quickly and reliably whenever you need it.